I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Discord. Open the exact server or direct message thread where the message should be. Next, activate the search. Click the search icon or press Ctrl+F/Ctrl+K to focus it. Type your primary keyword first. This filters immediately. Then add modifiers like from username or has, link to slice results. Once done, skim the top matches by timestamp. These steps prioritize relevance, so you don't waste time scrolling through unrelated history. Now tighten the hunt using advanced filters. Start by adding before or after, with dates to restrict the timeline. This reduces noise drastically. Then combine from username with mentions at user or has, attachment to zero in on the right context. Use quotation marks around exact phrases to avoid partial matches. Make sure to check channel name if you suspect a specific channel. After adjusting, press enter and review results. Then open the most promising message to confirm the content and times. Finish by opening the matched message and using the three-dot menu to copy message link or jump to conversation. This preserves context. If you found nothing, relax a filter. Broaden the date range or remove one modifier and search again because overly strict queries hide results. Also verify your permissions. Messages in channels you cannot access won't show up. If search still fails, ask a server moderator to confirm message visibility or use export tools if you have admin rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.